Hi, I'm Zacharias, the Senior Curator of Education and History here at the Museum of Arts and Sciences in Daytona Beach. And I'm here in our new exhibit, Skulls from Ancient Beasts to Modern Giants. We've worked on this exhibit for over a year, collecting skulls. And what this exhibit showcases is the diversity of life on Earth. In this case here is one of our signature skulls called the Platybelodon. It's an ancient type of elephant that lived 5 to 8 million years ago. In the fossil record, it's actually found in Florida, but it's found all over the world. It evolved out of Africa. It's called a gomphotherium. It was first discovered in 1929 by a Russian scientist called Boris Sayak. And when he looked at the teeth, because teeth are so important, he believed and he theorized that this was a water-dwelling elephant, and it used these unusual tusks or these incisors to scoop up vegetation in the water. Now, in 1992, a young American scientist did some research on this Platybelodon and realized that most likely this was not a water-dwelling elephant, but that it used these shovel-like tusks to strip bark off trees. So it was really just a bark eater.